How I do.
Oh shit! What you say? What you say?
Drake is better than Tupac and Biggie. They ain't got shit on Drake. They ain't got shit on Drake. They don't have shit on Drake. What can they do that Drake can do? Drake rapping, singing, caressing hoes, all that. My nigga,
can Tupac or Biggie make some shit like this?
Take a shot for me.
One song you listen to and Drake and you can have.
Fuck my click, fuck my dick. That's that type of, like, come on, man. Come on.
Gotta hit him up.
Hey, bro, play that doing it wrong. Play it.
Guess who's back? I got keys coming from overseas. Cost a nigga 200
Come on.
I got stuck by me.
Play doing it wrong.
My dog got 3 couple fleas. All the hard shit.
That shit can't compare. Call me 200 keys.
Got stuck by me. Come on, Drake makes songs like this. This ain't even Tupac singing though. Drake doing.
Sammy said Tupac lay down the bricks for Drake and everybody that's on this bus right now.
Tupac tripping on this motherfucker. He laid the bricks for everybody else.
Exactly. What the hell is that?
Tupac is not fucking with Drake.
Tupac ain't fucking with Biggie.
I like your voice.
Nigga, wait, Tupac ain't fucking with Biggie.
Alright, let me just ask you one question.
This shit hit him up. Mama, Holy Grail. Take care. Oh my dead body. Yes, he can.
By the knee, bro. He's a huge, bro.
Who's an urban artist? Regardless of 2000.
Oh wait, Tupac never even got the chance to be a fucking artist.
So how can y'all say you better than Drake?
How can you say?
Me. She said she loves me. She said she loves me. Don't never wanna lose me. She like my whitey, my diamond and I'm icy. Oh my shows, this ain't no Jordan. Big Balenciaga. Oh no, yeah. Oh no.
This part right here was dumb. That's Stevie Wonder.